Title, 6th grade notes. I can explain why we take notes the way we do.
Excellent. Can you guys, thank you, Emma. Can you guys explain why we take notes the way we do?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well, let's just review quickly, okay? STAR notes. STAR is an acronym. What does the S stand for? Setup notes. And what kind of notes do we use in 6th grade math?
3-column notes.
And is this an example here of the 3-column notes that we use?
Yes.
Sure is. What does the A stand for?
Add to notes.
And what column is the add to notes?
Cheat sheet.
That's where we add more information to our notes, right?
Yes.
That's your own chance to add to your notes. Oh, I missed one. Oh my God, what did I miss?
Take
The
notes.
T stands for take notes. So there's nothing to say other than take notes. So we got the S, the T, the A. The R stands for
Review notes.
and that's where we make a video about the notes,
Yes.
and then we watch the video the next day, right?
Yes.
We have to wait till the next day to watch it, right?
Yes.
So you've got to go to sleep, and then you wake up, and you can watch it anytime that next day, right? Okay, good. All right, so in our classroom, we have a cheat wall, and we have a cheat pole. Remember, the cheat wall is where we put the super important vital information that you have to remember to pass the MCA math test. And the cheat pole are the poles on the side of the room that we have organized by chapter, right?
Yes.
We can write anything we want on those poles to help us.
Yes.
Okay? Data and the story. So some data. When you take notes and then you put them away, how much of those notes will you remember if you never look at them again?
50%.
50%. Okay? So obviously we need to remember more than 50% of our notes. So I told you a story about this professor at Cornell University, and the professor did this years and years of studies in which he had half of his class review their notes day after day after day, and the other half of the class he just said leave when they were done taking notes. The kids who left never ever looked at their notes again. The kids who stayed were forced to look at their notes over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, right?
Yes.
So the kids who had to keep looking at their notes each day, he found out that they were passing at what percent?
90.
The kids who did not look at their notes were passing at
50.
50%, right? So if you read your notes every day, you pass at 90%. If you never look at them again, you pass at
50.
Okay? So here it is. Over the past 4 years now, we've been doing this sort of note-taking for, this is the 5th year. Over the past 4 years, our kids at 6th grade at Oak Point are averaging what percent as far as being on track for success according to the state of Minnesota? What percent?
90%.
What?
90%.
And then last year's kids were like the best ever. What did they average?
94.7%.
Holy Moses. And what's our goal this year? We
100%.
want 100% of our kids to be on track for success, and we want 100% of our kids to make high growth, right?
Yes.
Last year, they only had 93.4. I say that sarcastically, right? 93.4 is really good. But we want 100 this year. And then our kids last year said this. He said, Mr. Pottinger, we had such a great year because we set up our notes, and they were very organized and easy to read, right?
Yes.
We took our notes, and we used our what?
Study buddy.
Remember, study buddies. Super important. If you can talk to somebody, and if you can listen to another peer, you're going to learn a lot. And then they added to their notes, because they had to think about what they just took notes on, right?
Yes.
So they had to go deeper than what I went with, and they had to think, oh, beyond what I said. And then the last thing is they reviewed their notes by watching videos and also making video like we're doing right now, right?
Yes.
If all of those things happen, you are going to have a very successful math year, yes or no?
Yes.
If you don't do your homework, or if you don't watch your videos, if you don't take your notes, if you don't review your notes, it's probably not going to be as successful. Got it?
Yes.